The positive integers a, b, and c are all different. None of them is a square, but all the products ab, ac, and bc are squares. What is the least value that a plus b plus c can take? So we want to start off with the smallest non-square number. So that would be 2. So if a is equal to 2. So to find b, we want 2 to the power of the smallest odd number. So because 2 is also equal to 2 to the power of 1, b can be equal to 2 to the power of 3. And when we multiply these, we get 2 to the power of 4, which is equal to 4 times 4, which is a square number. So then we have c. So we could take the next odd number for the power, which would be 2 to the power of 5, but that would be too large and we want to keep it to the smallest number possible. So if we take the next non-square number, which would be 3, we want to square that, but then because none of these are squares, we need to multiply that by 2, because we have 2's already in the previous numbers. So if we multiply that, we get AB equals 2 to the power of 4, BC equals 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 squared, and AC, which is 2 squared times 3 squared. And these are all square numbers.
Yep, so what's the least value that a plus b plus c?
So 2 plus 2 cubed, which is 8, then 2 times 3 squared is 18, sorry. And this gives us the total of 28. So the answer would be B.
Right. So your choices of your value for A would be 2, because 2 is not a square number, and we want the smallest number. But then the choice of B is that we want A and B multiplied to become a square number. And then 2 to the power of 4 will automatically be 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2, so hence a square number. But when you chose C, you could have done 2 to the power of 5, but 2 to the power of 5 is actually quite a large number. So you stepped up to a different number, 3 to the power of 2, but you had to multiply by 2 just so that you can get a square number out of it.
Yeah.
So A times C would be 2 times 3 times 2 times 3.
Yeah.
And this number up here would be 2 to the power of 4 times 3. Sorry, big one, 2 to the power of 2. And then 2 to the power of 2 times 3. Which you know just by looking at it. These are going to be square numbers because they're the same number multiplied by each other. Yeah, very nicely done.